Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Improve E-commerce. Today's video, I will share how to start for dropshipping business in Sketch for every single part. Okay, so today's video, I'll share how to create and for AutoDS for Shopify. You can existing Shopify account, you can just of this winning product. Okay, so I can see this AutoDS. Okay. So I am already option this AutoDS. I can share this option. First of all, you can see this some product is very winning product. Okay, so you can see this AutoDS is automated platform and automated research your product, and every product is a very winning and winning. Okay, so how to find this one? How to find this one? I can see this option. Why this is a winning product. Okay, first of all, I can see this one like one this one key ring fingerprint. You can see this one mini flashlight kitchen light. Okay, so you can see this one only for product sourcing price 2.02. Okay, so you can see this more and more product. I can see this very important for any business. Okay, so first of all, I can show, so going to this one, your this product, this AutoDS marketplace. So I can see this AutoDS, this one. Just I'm going to this. So I can see this open my product for K 56 Pro smartwatch for man, head rate, the Bluetooth for this 400 mph long standby. This is a pro this product. This is sourcing price only for 26.76. I can see this variant for this shipping from US, then black steel, green steel, khaki and black. Okay, so I can see this shipping cost of invoice to $0, and shipping time for online business day is very long, right? It's nicely once you can see this very no problem. I can see this specification, policy, and review. Everything is like the line. Okay, so you can see this and just click in the import draft. So I can see this draft, new draft. Checking this product for this one is very simple. Okay, so you can see this product type, each this one generate product place for AI, not for this one. Then variant, then image, then item specification. It's very simple. Why no problem? Just click the import. Then I can see our website for Shopify. You can just refresh this option. Still writing this one. No problem. Again. So I can see this product is already import my website. Okay. So how to price this one? I can see this one. This is a KP one. It's a very simple. I just click and paste my website. Then I can see this my sell price 29.90, then 31, 36. It's a very okay. So I can see this main price, this product. So I can see this 1747 review. It's very nicely. Then you can item costing sourcing cost only for 26.76. So how you will sell this product, my website for this one, you can see this one already pricing for $49 per product. Okay. So just saving this one. So now I see my website is product is important. Now selling the ready for this one. Okay, so you can see this one. Just click the view, then view as you can see this option. This this one. Okay, right now you can see this all everything perfectly work, and then so no problem. Okay, there is a one. It is very simple way this to get it your product, and you can AutoDS use the for you need anything for help for start your business for drop shipping like AutoDS, CG drop shipping, AliExpress, everything help, no problem. Just click in the option I can yeah store design, advertising, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and others, and all are everything set up for you. Just check the description box and hit the bell icon and this one. Thank you, everyone, and see you in the next video and everything.